How you doing and welcome to the channel. I haven't been on in quite a while. I've been doing overdub videos, deals, because of the holiday season, trying to give people good deals. I believe this has finally come, thank God. I ordered new scales for my Victorinox Swiss Army knife. The Climber. Yeah, they are. Brand spanking new. Translucent green. I put my knife in here because I ordered a bunch of parts, so I put it in here for storage. This is why I ordered this. Okay. It's missing one of the scales that came off. There it goes. For a while they get worn out, as you can see. This is a plus scale, so it takes extra goodies. One is the pen, which I ordered from Victorinox. I put it on there just to protect it. It also takes, where is it? Also have brand new toothpick. Takes a pin inside. So, oh, and this little bad boy. Didn't come with it. Usually these run about $30-something. I don't remember how much I paid for this back in the 90s. I never showed this in the video. I didn't feel a need to. Then I'm seeing a resurgence of these knives for some weird reason. There was never really a thing I noticed on YouTube, and now I notice in tons of videos. This comes out. Mini screwdriver. This comes with the Plus models. It's a newer edition. Back when I bought this didn't exist as an option on any of the Swiss Army knives, even the Champion. So, I just wanted to update my channel viewers and subscribers. Appreciate everyone. As you can see, this is translucent. Oh wait, there's a toothpick in there. So they gave me everything. Huh. So I got extras. Anyway, make sure to hit the bell icon and subscribe for future videos. And make sure to go subscribe to Tool Review Zone. And go subscribe to Caveman and Tools. VCG Construction. And Tool Boss if you want to subscribe to him as well. Those are the only few people I know in the tool community that I actually interact with. Or Autobahn Dan, if you want to subscribe to him. EGM Demon. Those are good people. Alright? And I will catch you guys. Oh yeah, Scout Crafter, if you're into tool restoration. It's really all I mess with. But anyway, have a good day. This is more of a restoration project, but not really something that Scout Crafter would do, which I would love for him to buy new scales and put it on a Swiss Army knife. You know, either a Wagner, whatever that model is, brand is that they bought. And replace the scales after buffing it and all that. Because you can't really do much, shininess to the scales. Unless you buy aluminum or make your own with the lathe that you have. Anyway, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Alright? I want to say thank you again to Tool Review Zone and Acme Tools for the lovely hoodie when it finally does come. I will definitely be wearing that with pride. Thank you very much. And to everyone that's entered in the Tool Review Zone um, extravaganza that will be hosted on Instagram. Congratulations. Peace.